paid for that one. I'll keep the change.
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you? I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird.
Every hunt is a new lesson.
If you have to ask the price, you can't afford it.
You're a smart one for your size.
Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless.
These are my hunting grounds. Find your own.
You remind me of someone I fought last century. Every failed experiment lights the path to success.
I've got a lot of work to do, but this'll be fun! Power outage!
Whatever doesn't kill me makes me angry.
Size dilutes the brain. Mind is highly... Remember, diamonds come in small boxes. Tell everyone you got it here. You want to buy that? I mean, excellent choice.
I must warn you, I am more than I appear.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
We take pride in our restorations. They don't make these like they used to.
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back. think you're really gonna enjoy that.
Dervishes have 2 blades and no honor. I do not deserve another day.
Come with no weapons? Use that for the good of all. You're already guiding me to what you need.
Our items have lived. They have stories.
My food is gonna make you feel that? Yeah, that's the ultra protein.
Don't hurt them, creature.
No promises.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. Landlegs make you predictable. You move in straight lines.
I would never debase my wares by haggling. Ugh. If you want cheap junk, go see Curio.
You enjoyed that, didn't you, creature?
Yes. Good food.
The Bazaar is a good teacher.
There are a lot of steps in this staircase, but it's beautiful up there.
Quack Fable gave that to me on our first date.
I hunt monsters, not people. But for you, I'll make an exception.
Go ahead, underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
There's a special promotion today. Everything is for sale. If you buy one more, I might get promoted. No pressure, though.
Well, aren't you a lovely piece of prey? You beat me. I kind of enjoyed it.
Is this all I am? Just another hungry animal. This world has strange folk, strange ways. And I'm learning all of them.
Eat up? I bet you feel stronger already, don't you?
I've been tracking you across the Outlands. Your scent is strong.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabarians. I believed in myself, and I still lost.
I would spar with you, but this leg. The Bazaar is not kind to.
You've just taken the first. I think that suits you beautifully. In its deep wounds, their power waits. You must warn your people. Stay away.
Get stronger, finally.
Let's both keep learning. Maybe someday.
Life is urgent. Hurry up! Go, do, hurry! Look at this! So fast now!
Oh, hello. I mean,
Welcome to my business.
I'm almost sure that was a good trade.
Whatever you want from me, it's not what you'll get.
In 100 years when you are dust, I will remain. I could teach you my power, but you would squander it.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does. Just toss that on my back, and I'll trot it to your door.
Just let it. Yeah, it stings a little.
Hunting to survive. There's no such thing as overkill. They'd pay me for this. They can't deal with spirits. Get stronger too. That's what I'm afraid of.
Soon, I think you will be ready for Adira's training.
Tatiana's toys for always, matching joys. My favorite. But I sell to you. Oh, this from my childhood. It's okay. You take. You must have the fun.
If you wake up the creature, what happens next is on you.
When we are finished, may I dissect you for study? Time is long, but I have none left for you.
Why use weapon when have creature? Because I wish I didn't.
We've barely scratched the surface of the Outlands.
You look rough, man. Let's fix you up. The more you get hurt, the more we can hang out. Why do my people live in forests? The cities where the wounds are. Feel better. I'm gonna rub this stuff on you. Don't make it weird.
Don't worry about the energy cloud. I'm in control of it. Mostly. Oh, the Foundation for Foundation Studies will cancel my tenure for this.
I will kill bigger monster. Yes, and only monsters.
You say objective fact. I say one person's daydream. Ask anyone. It's always been this way.
ghost within me. Don't wake it up.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Bravery without strength is a sword without a blade.
Feel this now. Follow it to your future.
Mother, Father, I might be joining you soon.
There's no one. Your reality is so fragile. So malleable.
Any good fights lately? Oh, I do miss it. Go make some more stories, then come back and tell me.
When the hunt goes this well, might be too much meat.
Gifted creature.
Somewhere in all these carcasses, I'll find my answers.
My lessons are painful. Are you prepared? I do not teach violence. I teach mastery over it.
I'm so glad we could share this experience today. I can feel our energies resonating.
Some hunters lay traps. I like to face my prey.
relied. I bet you could have sworn that was something else.
The smaller the portions, the finer the meal.
I'm getting closer to the answers. Sketching a map in my mind.
This isn't Taigan, Karnok. The Bazaar plays by its own rules.
Sometimes I hate what I do to them. Sometimes I enjoy it.
Discounts for peace! You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
Who I am does not matter. Only what I offer. A longer life is not always a gift.
Forests on Tegan would eat you alive.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. Well, I'll admit, that was impressive.
What have you got? Change it? Me? It was already like that.
Years, 20 planets, thousands of kills. And I'm still learning. Made short work of that one.
Next time, it lasts longer.
To trust the shrouded stranger. They bless you with health. Do not squander it.
Please, you don't want to do this. There is a power in me I can't control. Be careful. The city is chaos. Give me a cabin in the woods.
Let's make this quick, okay? The faster you move, the longer your life. Think about it.
Stronger than the prime of my youth. Have I even reached it?
Adira has surpassed me in power, but he can never surpass me in years. All wisdom has power, but not all power has wisdom.
Have a nice day. Did that sound professional?
Rough town, river, tower, it's all my territory. You gotta be with the Gorgons, slimy snakes.
Nothing? Did it really change? Or did you misremember?
You have great potential. Let me train you. You must first defeat your doubt.
I will try to be gentle.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
I am eager to test your abilities and to improve them immeasurably. Olin had a saying, power is wisdom. Something like that.
You with the Gorgons? Nasty snakes. I'll rip this suit off and go saber-tooth on ya!
Experience is treasure. I will share mine with you.
gold.
Your enlightenment is my reward.
Hooey! Now that's a bargain. Hat's been sitting there 20 years, waiting for you. Warms my rusty circuits to see that find a home. Trash is tragedy. Reuse everything.
If I knock you down quickly, you might be safe.
You do see these tusks, right? Well, I guess motivation isn't everything.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation.
Whatever species I am, I might still be growing.
Now this is my food. Literally makes you a better person.
How you win.
Greetings, mortal. What can I get you? And what will you buy instead, mortal? Something wicked?
If the creature takes over, run.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? You've got potential! I bet I'll see you again.
Some days I wish I could stop this. Most days I don't.